Christmas. I'm Craig with Area 419, here to give you our 2023 gift guide for the reloader in your life. Now, if the person in your life that you're buying for loves their rifle but doesn't necessarily reload, head to the description below and you're going to find the gift guide for rifle owners, be they a newbie, a competitor, or a hunter. In this guide for the reloader, we're going to focus on two types of people. There's the newbie, the person just getting into reloading, is excited about it, doesn't know how to get started, is missing a few components to be able to reload. We're going to talk about them, as well as that perfectionist reloader, the person that's been doing it for a while, seems to have a lot of things, but you want something that fits their hobby that you don't quite know what to get. For each of these people, we're going to give you a gift that's in the high-end price bracket, in the mid-range, something that's more on the value end, as well as something that fits nicely in their stocking. So we hope at the end of this, you have a good idea for what to get them. So let's start with the newbie. Now, the newbie you're buying for, they're either just getting into reloading or they're wanting to get into reloading, and you want to get them something nice to start that process. So our number one suggestion is the Zero from Area 419. It's our flagship reloading product. It's the finest press made anywhere in the world. And for that newbie, if this is the cornerstone of their bench, the most used product on their bench is going to be the nicest one you can buy. These are $12.75. You'll find deals on them through Black Friday period, but this is an American-made product. It's exceptionally robust. It's silky smooth. And if somebody in your life is getting into reloading, if they don't have this, they want it. Now, that newbie reloader, if they've already got a press, already have a Zero, another thing they're really going to need as they test their loads is a chronograph. Fortunately, the nicest chronograph on the market is new this year, and they probably don't have it yet. It's the Zero C1 Pro from Garmin. This thing sells at $600 for just the chronograph, or $750 as shown with our rifle mount and QD clamp. This is a great product. It's going to be useful to them. It's brand new. It's the best on the market. And you give this to them, they're going to absolutely love it in that kind of mid-range, nice gift price point. For something that's a little bit less expensive, right in that value price point, this is our best-selling reloading gift of all time. It's the Master Funnel Kit. This is going to make their experience better at the loading bench, help them stay cleaner and more organized with their powder throws, and it's a really cool piece for a person to get to use every time they're in there. It's $100, and again, this is our most sold reloading Christmas gift ever by a huge margin. This one's a hit. And a nice stocking stuffer for that newbie, it's the Ammo Novel from Coltac. It holds 120 rounds from size 223 up to some more heavy magnums, 6.5 PRC, things like that. Your newbie reloader is going to spend a lot of time on the bench making great ammo. You want them to have an opportunity to throw it in their pack, take it to range, it be organized, protected, and they're really going to like this premium product made in America by Coltac. The next person we're going to talk about is that perfectionist. They've been on the bench for years, or they're heavily into it very quickly. A nice, expensive, kind of high-end gift that you can pick up for them is an Area 419 Zero M Series sizing die. Now, you can buy just the die for about $450, all the way up to you can buy a die and a shell holder and a turret and a mandrel kit that can cost a fair amount more. But if the person in your life that reloads is really into reloading and they don't have one of these, they're gonna love it. Again, if you need help picking this out, shoot us an email. We can help you walk through taking some photos of their bench and figuring out how something may fit into that mix. But the Zero M Series sizing die is sure to put a smile on their face. For something more in that mid-range gifting, we suggest the Area 419 Headspace and Ogive measurement kit. You can also get this with a Michitoyo caliper. Every time your person's at the reloading bench, they're going to be measuring headspace and they're going to be measuring the overall length of the cartridge. This is a precision machined set that they likely don't have that's going to add to that experience and give them really nice measurements. Now, the kit without the calipers is $300. We also have the calipers for $160. This is all super premium. If they don't have it, they're gonna love it. And we think it's going to fit virtually all of those perfectionist reloaders. As we move into something in that more mid-range price point, we suggest the Area 419 modular shell holder kit. They can use it on their Zero press. They can use it on a traditional press like a rock chucker. Again, if you need to send us a photo so we can help, do it, info@area419.com. But this set gives them all the control they need over the sizing process. It's how much they're sizing that brass. If they're that person that's super persnickety about everything, that perfectionist, this is a great product for them at $225. And if you're looking for a stocking stuffer for that perfectionist, organization on the bench is important. These are our Area 419 50-place loading blocks. These sell for $55. Or, if your loved one has really big stocking, This is our 300-piece loading block for $300. A little bit much maybe for a stocking stuffer, but this is something that is a centerpiece on the bench. It's really cool. It's useful in staying organized. And if they don't have it, they're going to love it. So everybody, that wraps up our 2023 gift guide for reloaders. We think that whether that person in your life is a newbie or they're a seasoned, experienced perfectionist, there's something in this guide at various price points to fit your budget that they may really love. But if you still aren't sure, or you still want to let that person pick it out because they're impossible to gift for, something that fits everyone is an Area 419 gift card. From $5 to $5,000, you'll be able to give this gift to the reloader in your life, and they'll be able to get the tool that they've been wanting or they've been needing for quite some time. So everybody, that wraps up the gift guide. We really appreciate you. We're looking forward to a really great Christmas season and a really great 2024.